There have been numerous important physics experiments throughout history that have significantly shaped our understanding of the universe. Here are some of the most notable ones. Cavendish Experiment, 1797 to 1798, conducted by Henry Cavendish. This experiment determined the value of the gravitational constant, g, and measured the mass of the Earth. It involved measuring the gravitational attraction between lead spheres and smaller spheres. Michelson-Morley Experiment, 1887. Albert A. Michelson and Edward W. Morley conducted this experiment to detect the existence of the luminiferous ether, which was believed to be the medium through which light waves propagated. The experiment, which used an interferometer, failed to detect the expected ether drift and paved the way for Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity. Photoelectric Effect, 1887 to 1905. The experiments conducted by Heinrich Hertz, Philipp Lenard, and later Albert Einstein on the photoelectric effect demonstrated that light could exhibit particle-like properties. Einstein's interpretation of the photoelectric effect as discrete packets of energy, photons, won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 and contributed to the development of quantum mechanics. Rutherford's gold foil experiment, 1909. Ernest Rutherford's experiment involved bombarding a thin gold foil with alpha particles. The unexpected observation that some alpha particles were deflected at large angles led to the discovery of the atomic nucleus and the development of the planetary model of the atom. Davisson-Germer Experiment, 1927. Clinton Davisson and Lester Germer observed electron diffraction, which provided direct experimental evidence for the wave-like nature of particles, confirming the predictions of Louis de Broglie's matter-wave hypothesis. Stern-Gerlach Experiment, 1922. Otto Stern and Walther Gerlach conducted this experiment, which involved passing silver atoms through a magnetic field. The observation of quantized spin orientations demonstrated the existence of intrinsic angular momentum and the concept of spin in quantum mechanics. Millikan oil drop experiment, 1909. Robert A. Millikan's experiment determined the elementary electric charge by measuring the rate of fall of charged oil droplets in an electric field. It provided accurate values for the charge of the electron and contributed to the development of atomic theory. Hubble's observations, 1920s. Edwin Hubble's observations of distant galaxies using the 100-inch Hooker telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory provided evidence for the expanding universe. Hubble's work, along with the redshift measurements of galaxies, led to the formulation of Hubble's law and the concept of the Big Bang. Large Hadron Collider (LHC) experiments, 2008 present. The LHC, located at CERN, is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. It has played a crucial role in the discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012 and continues to explore the fundamental particles and forces of nature at extremely high energies. These experiments represent significant milestones in the history of physics, contributing to our understanding of gravity, electromagnetism, quantum mechanics, relativity, and the structure of the universe. They have shaped the foundation of modern physics and continue to inspire further exploration and discoveries.